Buying a home can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just not sure where you stand. I get questions like, do I need a 700 credit score? Is my score even close? What if it's not perfect? Well, here's the truth. Most people overestimate what lenders are actually looking for. Hey there, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate. So let's go ahead and clear up all of this right now, because 90% of buyers, they actually think they need a higher credit score. And that's stopping so many people from even trying to buy, and it may even be stopping you without you knowing it. So first off, there is no single number that makes or breaks your chances. Did you know that lenders look at your full profile, not just your credit score? And there's many different loan types like FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional, all which have their own rules. In fact, some buyers have even closed with credit scores in the low 600s. Now look, I'm not a lender myself, but I do work with amazing ones, and I've seen them help people with scores that even shock them. Because here's the truth. Your score doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be understood and used the right way. It affects your loan type, your rate, and your buying power. But even if your score needs work, it doesn't mean you're out. So I'm going to give you some ways to improve your score. 1, pay every bill on time, no exception, no excuses. 2, keep your credit use low, under 30% is ideal. 3, check your credit report and fix any errors that you find. And 4, avoid new credit accounts as they drop your score. And if you're just not sure where you stand right now, don't guess, don't Google, just text me. I'll connect you with a lender that I trust to give you real answers. No pressure, no cost, just free, honest advice. Now, buying a home can be way more possible than you think it is. So if you got questions or you just want to talk through it, call, text, or DM me now. I'm here to help. Again, I'm April Borst, here to help you make a move. No pressure, no confusion, just real answers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.